Good morning, James Braithwaite here, and welcome to the scrap spring cleaning that I've been doing at work, and also welcome to Broad Heath. For some reason but anyway, hopefully I'm going to get some good money for this. I mean, those old pads have been lying around waiting to be picked up for absolutely aeons. So you can see all the rest of the stuff here as well. Pads and oil filters, brake discs, clutches, and the old spare rims. These two tireless ones, that Corsa D one over there, was the one I had to was one of the two I had to replace on my van. It's more buckled than a pirate's boot, so off it goes here. Okay, I will see you in the next one. Bye.